Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about starting your gas-powered air compressor in cold temperatures. And it's easy if you follow the instructions on top of the belt guard here. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your pump is filled with a winter weight or a synthetic oil. If you've never changed your pump oil before, simply drain it here and refill it here. Now you want to get it to about 2/3 of the way up the sight glass here. Your next step is going to be to open up the cold start valve on your aftercooler, which is located right here, and your tank drains. Doing so is going to eliminate any back pressure and also any moisture that might be in your tanks. Now once you've got those open, you're ready to turn the engine to the on position. You can close your choke, open your fuel valve, and you're ready to pull the cord.